On three grounds, I would like to oppose this bill. The bill's aggressive, unnecessary Sanskritized nomenclature directly violates Article 348(1)(b), which mandates that authoritative text of all bills shall be in the English language. There is no technical reason to use in Hindi names. 53 times Hindi names are used in this text of the bill. This விநாயம் பரிஷத் இதெல்லாம் எனக்கு ஒண்ணுமே புரியல. we don't எதுவுமே எங்களுக்கு புரிய மாட்டேங்குது. எங்களுக்கு நாங்க பேசுறது எப்படி உங்களுக்கு புரியலையோ அதே மாதிரி நீங்க இப்படி இந்த மாதிரி இந்திய கொண்டு வந்து எங்க மேல திணிச்சா எங்களுக்கும் ஒண்ணும் புரிய மாட்டேங்குது. So அதனால வந்து it should be in English so that whichever the state wanted to understand the language, that language has to be allowed in this bill. This sees I see this as a kind of Hindi imposition. Already Tamil Nadu been actually deprived of Samashkri SSA funds just because of we are not agreeing to the three language policy in the new education policy. This is another way of imposing Hindi on state like Tamil Nadu, which is very successful in 12 language system. Second thing, this is an attack on the federal structure. This bill moves forward despite the parliamentary standing committees on education explicit finding that the bill maintains the union government heavy composition and insufficient state representation. Sir, actually, given that state public universities and their affiliated colleges educate over 81% of India's total students enrollment and govern a network of over 46,000 affiliated institutions nationwide. This policy-making body's composition must reflect the immense scale and responsibility held by the state education sector, then executive overreach and undermining autonomy. The proposal moves decisively away from the independent regulation. Provisions granting the union government overriding power over the commission represent a clear attempt at executive outreach, fundamentally violating the doctrine of separation of powers by subordinating a key regulatory body of the executive. Clause 11(4) clearly states that regulatory council needs the prior approval of central government to provide or revoke authorization of higher educational institution, the authority to grant degrees. On this ground, I oppose the introduction of the bill. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.